Today is the last day of withdrawal of candidature for the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha polls. India Meteorological Department (IMD) has forecast heatwave conditions over northwest India and Bihar for the next 4 days. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is being observed today to raise awareness of the possibilities that the use of the internet and other information and communication technologies can bring to societies and economies. The 12th Joint Working Group meeting between the Defense Ministry of India and Mongolia concluded today in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Mission Olympic Cell has inducted new generation squad players into the development group of the Target Olympic Podium schemes.